Hello students, welcome to online teaching Ishuvidya. In the last class we have completed the poem from the formalin jar, isn't it? Have you gone through the poem? Yes, it is a very good poem but heart touching, heart-breaking poem, because in this poem the poet Dr. Rita Subramaniam Mani, who is a neurosurgeon, she has written this poem just to give message, to spread the message among the young mass that life is very precious. We should not spoil our life, we should not ruin our life due to our carelessness. So here in this poem, the poet has taken an imaginary or fictional character, Vicky, who was a very young, intelligent and smart boy. He was in his college career and he once rode to his friend who was living next lane without wearing helmet. And he faced with a serious accident, and in that accident he lost his life. He was spot dead, but his brain was kept in a formalin jar at that medical institute, NIMHANS, National Institute of Mental Health and Neuroscience, which is in Bangalore, and the poet is working as a neurologist, specialized neurosurgeon in that hospital and medical college. And she has taken the example of Vicky, and through Vicky's brain, the person was very intelligent, but when his brain has been kept in a formalin jar, the brain does not want to be called as a sample or specimen. It is very humiliating, he expresses. And he was so smart, so intelligent, so well dressed. All were impressed by him. And she was also in love with a girl in college. And when he was looking at that girl, her heartbeat was going on. Everything is expressed by the intelligent heart of Vicky. And now we can conclude with the message that the poet has given the message: drive safe. Life is precious. And we also know, on the road while you are going, you might have seen in most of the places it has been written, it is better to be called Mr. Late than late Mr. Do you know its meaning? When a boy or girl comes to school or college every day late, others call him or her, देखो देखो मिस्टर लेट आसिला. पोएट कहउचंती मिस्टर लेट डाकिबा बरंग भल दैन लेट मिस्टर. आमे जेतले लेखुचंती हमर एड्रेस, तुमर बापा कि माँ जे जहार डेथ हो जाइछि सेठी आमे लेट लेखुचंती. So it is better to be Mr. Late than late Mr. So you must follow the traffic rules. We are celebrating, observing Road Safety Week every year in the month of January. We are arranging the meetings We are giving advice to the people. In spite of all these things, the number of accidents is increasing every day. Many people are losing their precious life and most are going disabled or crippled. So, if we will follow the rules of the road, then these accidents can be reduced, can be eradicated, can be eliminated. So, these are some messages to the young mass. And without all these things, if we will think we have wealth, we have property, wealth, beauty, youth, age, prosperity, strength, all these things are meaningless. So wealth, beauty, youth, age, prosperity, strength, one is having all these things, but if he is careless, if he does not follow the rules of the road, then all these things will be meaningless. It has no use. So unless and until we are careful about the road safety, then all these things are meaningless. So now our poem from the formalin jar is over and we will discuss some questions. Tell me, where was Vicky going? To the next lane. Who was living next lane? His friend. Had Vicky some special work? No. Just for an ordinary work, he was going there. Did Vicky have the habit of not wearing helmet? No. Always he wears helmet, but that day he did not wear helmet as it was just the next lane. So what happened? He met with a serious accident. So students, only for a simple carelessness, if he would have worn the helmet, he would not have lost his valuable life. So from this lesson, you must get the idea, the message, the moral that everybody should follow the rules of the road. We will use helmet or seat belt when we are driving. Okay? Thank you.